Rosalie. Call Rosalie. Three. Tita, baba ka na.
Kasi nasanay ka na eh. Nasanay ka na. Tsaka, inaano ko yan din ang ano nila. Pag wala na ako dyan sa lang, bahala sila dyan.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had.
Guys, nandito na kami sa Matra. Ang init-init! Oh my gosh, super hot! Kaya ako ayan, so, ay, oh, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa Matra, ayan. Ang daming mga tao ngayon kasi holiday, ayan. Ganda-ganda, bundok. May dates, ha? So, andito na kami sa Matra Souk, ayan. Parang nakakatakot, parang haunted house, no? We are in the Divisoria of Moscow. Kasi holiday ngayon, nag-holiday. Ay, ano ito? Wala. Nakakatakot.
Kaya punta si Tao na
So, dito kami ngayon sa KFC, guys. This is our dinner. KFC. Sobrang spicy. Ay, ano ba yun? Salty, guys. Ayan. Dapat sinabi ko, huwag niyang lagyan ng asin.
Minsan lang namin ito. Once a year.
Ano ba yan? What? KFC.
Masarap din yung
Oh, masarap naman. Malasa naman. KFC, baka naman. Next time, libre nyo na kami. Alam mo, wala maganda ito yung nila, manok ko lang kami.
wala masyadong oil. Ito nga wala masyadong oil.
Close naman yung mga ibang siya. Hindi tayo nag-enjoy. Naglakad-lakad yun.
Enjoy naman, nakalabas ng bahay.
Stress kaya araw-araw na nagtatrabaho.
Ano pa rin yung polish mo?
Magkano ang pagka-jet? Ng kuko?
10 real.
Kamay? Isang ano lang?
Kamay lang.